have 12 notes in music, or 12 keys. 12 notes or keys in music. We have just 12 of them. And they are this. From here to here, let's use this octave, for example. That we have different octaves. This is one octave here, this is another octave, this is another octave, this is another octave, this is another octave. You can even look at it very well. We have two black keys here, we have three black keys here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 white keys. So we have the same thing here, just repetition, everything. So they are the same, but the octaves are different. All right. So let's use this octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you see that we have 12 notes or 12 keys in music? 12. Alright, so these and these they are the same, just like your do and your do again here. Alright. So let's talk on circle of fourths. Circle of fourths is like the clock in music, or the clock of music. It's what connects the keys together. The 12 keys just connect them together. The relationship between the 12 notes in music. That's what we call circle of fourths or circle of fifths. Alright. So don't get yourself confused by the word fourth and fifth. So fifth is just like a reverse of the fourth. So for example, the fourth of this particular key here is this. When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the fourth. But this particular key now, if you take it backward like reverse, it becomes circle of fifth. So take it back. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4. But let's count it. So do, yeah, down. So this is the fifth here. This is the fourth. So if you use this one as the fifth here, this is the fifth. If you are going back, it will become the fourth. And you see, this is the fourth here. All right. So how do you get your circle of fourth? How do you get your fourth? There must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There must be 5 semitones between them. 5 semitones. There's something we call tones and semitones. So tones is the distance of 2 notes from your root. Let's take this as our root. So from this and this now, so we are going like 2 steps. 1, 2. So this is a tone. But if it's just 1 step, 1. This is 1. So this is half step. Alright. So your circle of fourths, to get your fourth, there must be 5 semitones between the root and the fourth. So let's count it. Half steps is the same thing as semitone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, these are fourths. Can you see? Alright, so let's get to the next fourth again. Take this as a root. The next fourth will be, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So these are fourths again. So let's go to the next fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are fourths again. So the next fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? These are other fourths. So let's go to the next fourth again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So these are you count them. You won't count the first one you are holding your root. You won't count it. You start from the very next key, which is this, the very next note, which is this. So you start from there, then you count to where you are going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your circle of four, there must be 5 semitones between them, 5 half steps between them. All right. So let's go like this. Let's play the triads. Right, so this circle of fourths. So let's go back to the fifth now. Circle of fifth. Alright, so fifth, there must be 7 semitones between them. 7 semitones. Don't forget that 7 semitones and after they are same. 7 semitones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see? So this is the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see? This is a fifth. Alright, if you should take another fifth here, just count like 5 and 7 semitones. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see? This is a fifth here. But the fourth is just 5 semitones, the fifth is 7 semitones between them. So you can use this to rehearse, to practice on all keys. Just play their triads. you see? All right. So how do you play with circle of fourths? You don't forget I said a circle of fourths and fifth is what connects the hits together, the fifth notes together. There's a relationship between it. All right. So let's do something. I did a song, the champions of the host above Nathan and Basin. Just your have the remuneration of the song. So the video is on my YouTube page. You can just check. Alright, so I did it on key of F sharp. So I just want to use you don't pam 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 you Alright, so here, what did I use? This is we're on the key of F sharp now. What did I use here? I used flat 9. Is it flat 9 now? Yeah, flat 9. Yes, and flat 5. Don't forget it's fourths. So I'm moving in fourths now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for me again, another fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where I played like this. So bam, bam, bam. So another fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? Alright, so let's do it on the key of C. For those that can't play on F sharp, don't learn it. Alright, so I use it. Can you see? So here I used what we call D, Fi, Ti, Mi, La, Re, So, Do. D, Fi, Ti, Mi, La, Re, So, Do. So from D here, I started from D. So count, what is the fourth of this D? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see this is the fourth? Okay, so the next thing, what is the fourth of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the fourth. What is the fourth of this again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fourth. What is the fourth of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to your C. Can you see? So there are many possibilities here. So yes, as simple as this. This is very, very, very simple. Simple as this. So my D here, which is your flat 9, is D, your flat 9 chord with the C sharp. We're on the key of C now. So here, just hold your G major triad, but the inversion. And you see B, D, G. Then you go to F sharp here, which is the fourth. Then you play C, E flat, F sharp, and B. Okay, so now go to your B here, your left hand, your B. So here is C, E flat, F sharp, and A. And you see? Okay, so we come to your E here. Then here this will be C, D, G. Then go to your A here. Go to your A. Sorry, this is E. Then go to your A here. Doing G, B, D, E. The one I taught you. Then you play your minor 9 here again. D, A, C. Then here E, F, A, D, A, C, E. Then go to your G, G, D. Then your F, G, A, and C. Can you see? So whatever you apply it on C, you can also apply it on F. Whatever you apply on C, you can apply it on F. You can apply it on G, because you just use your circle of fourths. It's what connect these together. Use it when you want to practice. Just use them to connect chords together.